Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Islam Al Haq, rediscovering the pure essence of faith. Peace be upon you, and the mercy and blessings of Allah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Islam Al Haq, the path of truth, aligned with the divine will of Allah. Our foundation is built upon the noble Quran and the al-Hadith as preserved by the 9 legendary Imams: Malik, Ahmad bin Hanbal, ad-Darimi, al-Bukhari, Muslim, Ibn Majah, Abu Dawud, at-Tirmidhi, and An-Nasa'i. These scholars of wisdom lived during the golden age of Islam, between 93 Hijriah and 303 Hijriah. For over 14 centuries, Allah has shielded the purity of the Quran and the teaching of Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam through their books, ensuring they remain authentic and untainted until the end of time. In an era often clouded by trials, restless ambition, and a decline in moral integrity, we are reminded of a profound truth: modesty, haya, is an inseparable part of faith. When modesty fades, a vital piece of our spiritual identity goes with it. We believe that the unity of the global Muslim Ummah is a sacred, non-negotiable duty. We must walk with one step and one rhythm, wherever we may be. However, true unity can only be realized when we return to the pure, unadulterated knowledge of Allah exactly as practiced by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. To heal our divisions, we must return to the crystal clear source, Islam Al Haq. This is the Islam that views every Muslim as a brother and sister. It is the faith that commands us to love our families, our neighbors, and even those who serve us, as we love ourselves. Indeed, one's faith is not complete until they love for their brother what they love for themselves. Islam Al Haq serves as a bridge, connecting the modern world with the sacred heritage of Allah and His Messenger. We invite you to explore the Quran and the Sahih Hadith of the 9 Imam sources of absolute certainty. Let us unite in Tawheed, oneness of God, in the Sunnah, in worship, and in compassion. Today, this vast ocean of wisdom is at your fingertips. Islam Al Haq offers the Quran and the Hadith of the 9 Imams in multiple languages, with a vision to reach over 245 world languages. Our advanced categorization features allow you to find the guidance and references you need with speed and precision. Find your inspiration. Discover the truth for your life. Visit Islam Al Haq today. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.